log in to your online account. Once you are on your profile page, click Claim CEUs, found in the left side navigation column. On the How to Request Your CCB CEUs page, select an event type from the drop-down, or click on the blue links for magazine quizzes and product quizzes. Click Next at the bottom right and complete the appropriate online CEU request form. When completing your request form, please note, for SCCE and HCCA webinars and recorded conference sessions, follow the instructions on the emailed certificate you receive, and use the provided code to claim CEUs for attendance. For live conference events, you can request any CEUs, including third-party credits, for sessions attended. Simply check the box for each session attended and click Submit. To request third-party CEUs from a live event, at the top of the Claim Sessions screen, check the box for third-party CEUs. Then use the drop-down to choose the type of CEUs and complete the specific information for that type accordingly. When selecting a pre-approved event, follow the prompts and enter the specific program code from the CCB certificate you obtained from the event sponsor. For individual accreditation applications and pre-approved third-party events, attach supporting documentation, such as an agenda and certificate of attendance.